Yesha and welcome to our channel IELTS Hub. First of all, I would just like to instruct you or give you some information about following our channel. There is a bell icon where you can just press the bell icon and you would get notified with our future videos, or you can also watch our older videos if you subscribe to the channel. So make sure that you like, comment, share and also subscribe to our channel if you like our videos. Today we are going to discuss about the IELTS reading. Here I would explain you about the difference between IELTS academic and IELTS general training, especially in the reading module. So let's just go through the graph, let's just go through the flow chart, the chart that I have made on this whiteboard. I hope you are able to understand something, but it is definitely difficult for the students who have no idea about what is IELTS reading. IELTS reading is actually the module in which you have different sections and there are different comprehensions, that is passages, and related to these passages there are different question tasks. We have to attend the question task, we need to find the answers according to different question tasks and present it in the answer sheet. This actually shows how effective we are with the English language and how appropriate we are in finding the answers. That is, we need to find the correct answer, and the number of answers that we find correctly, in according to that we get our bands. The number of questions, total number of questions that we have in IELTS reading is 40 questions. 40 questions are actually, if we say, they are very properly segregated or categorized in different sections. Let's first discuss about academic IELTS. Here we have 3 sections and 3 passages. In these 3 passages, accordingly, we have 40 questions. In short, it might be the situation that the section 1 contains 13 questions, that is 13 questions. The section 2 might contain again 13 questions, and the last section, that is the last passage, may have 14 questions. So totally overall 40 questions. If you give all the 40 questions, that is, you give the answers correctly, then you score 9 bands. Accordingly, there is a table, that is actually a band descriptor, which describes how many answers you have done correctly, and according to that, what is the band score that you have achieved. When we come to general training, this is a bit tricky. We have 3 sections. Definitely we have 3 sections in academic, but we have 3 passages. But when we come to general training, we have 3 sections. Each section contains different number of passages. That is, the first section contains passage 1 and 2. The second section contains passage 3 and 4. And the last section has only 1 passage, that is passage 5. So again, if we come to number of questions according to the sections, then definitely it can be the situation that the section 1 of IELTS general training reading has around 13 or 14 questions. Again, in the second section, 13 or 14 questions, and in the third passage or in the third section, we have around again 13 or 14 questions. Overall, again, the total number of questions would be only 40 questions. In the next video, we are going to show you, or we are going to describe about the different question tasks that are involved in the reading module, or the question tasks that you would come across in the reading module. The main thing or the main method that you can utilize in especially attending the IELTS reading can be The duration of the IELTS reading is actually 1 hour, but if we need to manage the time, we should practice in a manner that we utilize 1 minute to find one answer. So in short, 40 questions will use only 40 minutes. And at the end, you will have 20 minutes to go through the answers properly to check whether you have answered them with the correct strategy or the answer is correct or not. So in short, you should take 1 minute to find the answer for each question, and this equalizes that 40 questions is equal to 40 minutes, where still you have 20 minutes left to check, to change, to modify, or to at least just evaluate by yourself that you have given the correct answers. At the end, the main thing that you have to keep in mind is how we can present the answers in the answer sheet. According to the IELTS pattern, it is advised to write the answers, all the alphabets or the letters in uppercase letters, as it would actually be easy for the examiner to assess the answers properly, because some students have a habit of writing many alphabets same or in a similar manner. For example, A, U written in the same way, or R, S written in the same way, L, T. They forget to put the hyphen or the sleeping line in T, and it actually shows it is L, but the answer, the word contains the letter or the alphabet T. So that is why it is advised that you write each and every alphabet or the letter of the word or the answer in uppercase letters. This is actually the difference between IELTS Academic and IELTS General Training, and as I have mentioned earlier, we would give you another informative video where we would be describing about the different question tasks that we have in IELTS reading. You just have to understand that the question tasks are same, or the strategies used to find the answers would be the same if you take IELTS Academic or IELTS General Training. The only difference is in the manner of presenting the questions. IELTS Academic contains 3 sections, that is 3 passages, while General Training contains 3 sections but 5 passages. This is the difference between IELTS Academic and IELTS General Training. I hope this video has been very helpful in understanding what is actually the reading pattern in IELTS Academic and what is the reading pattern in General Training, that is IELTS Reading General Training. Again, I would repeat that you can subscribe our channel. You can also book the speaking and writing sessions with us, where we would give you complete feedback about your performance, whether it is in speaking or in writing. We would also make sure that we practice along with you with the correct answers, with the correct format and the exact pattern to be followed to accomplish the learning part of IELTS examination. Thank you so much and stay tuned.